Welcome again with ScrewFix Live 2025. Now I'm over on the UniBond stand. We're going to talk to Paul. He wants to show us a product that might be of interest to you. So I'm going to swivel the camera around, do the usual 1, 2, 3. Paul will introduce himself and we'll see what he's got to show us. Hello, Paul.
Hi.
Tell us who you are, what you are, and what you've got today.
Okay, I'm Paul Barney. I'm the Application Engineering Manager for Henkel's Consumer Adhesives in the UK. And I'm here to demonstrate our UniBond kitchen and bathroom sealant in our next generation cartridge. So it has many features and benefits. The first feature is that you do not need a knife to open this cartridge. You literally just pull out the plug, load it into the cartridge gun and go. And the other side is that it's highly sustainable in the fact that we've got 39% recycled plastic components and over a recycled cardboard tube that encapsulates the sausage. And the total reduction in waste is 73% less non-recyclable waste compared to a normal cartridge. So when you're finished, you unwind the cardboard and you're just left with that to dispose of. The cardboard could be recycled, including a little plastic ring at the bottom.
Do you crush that down by hand then?
No, that is what it comes out like.
Oh, that's how it's actually constant.
Yeah, that's what it's like.
Yeah, it's sealers down.
Yeah.
That's really clever.
Okay, so we'll show it in use. So what I'm going to do, remove the plug, apply the nozzle. This is a standard cartridge gun, no change in habits required, just a normal cartridge gun is fine. We tested hundreds of cartridge guns, it fits them all, including electric ones. So the first thing we need to do is that the first one we need to break the seal. So you'll hear a pop, a click, and then a pop. You see that went then, and now the sealant's coming out. And it's dead easy to apply. You don't need a lot of force. And when you finish, before you smooth, recommend to remove it from the cartridge gun and then use the cap to reseal the nozzle, which will last around about 2 months. So that can be used again. Start securing in the nozzle, and then we're just going to use a smoothing tool. We're going to smooth it out to give you a final seal.
As easy as that. So you don't need to wet that, you don't need to put anything
Some people do wet it. Personally, I don't feel that I need to.
Brilliant, brilliant. What is the USP? There's a lot of silicones and corks on the market.
Yeah.
What would make me buy this one? I mean, obviously the packaging is brilliant. I think
this is the way forward. This is the market leading sealant in the DIY market.
Yeah.
It's a good quality silicone. You can use it in all kitchens and bathrooms, on all plastic and ceramic, etc. Sanitary ware, even on anodized aluminium, etc. It gives a really good seal. I'll just put that down. This is a pure bead in the product. You see, it's really bright, white, stretchy, and it will resist mould provided you clean your bathroom regularly. And we do offer a 15-year guarantee for this product.
That's brilliant. You've sold it well. You've answered my questions. Thank you very much, Paul.
Pleasure.
Thanks for taking the time to talk to me.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. Cheers.